I am from a very small country with a very big agenda. We have had democratic reform elections, and the government wants to get many things done, and we have to do with what we have. First, I want to share with you the challenges and how, from a small country's perspective, how we are striving to move forward in these challenges that we are facing in delivering development. First, what we want to focus, what we want to tell is the technology part is the very smallest part that is there. We are talking of technological solutions, technical things, but this is the very small part of the big thing that we are trying to do, and the very small part of the time that we are going to spend on e-government development that we have spent. When we have to spend time, on making this a strategic driver. That means we have to change things, make this simpler for the people in terms of service delivery. Making things simpler is the hardest thing that we are trying to do. When we go to an agency and we tell them, okay, now from their perspective it's very simple. They have to come, the citizens have to just come 4 or 5 times, and each time they have to just wait 2 hours. From their perspective it's very simple. But when we re-engineer and ask them if they have to come at all, they have to come just once, then the real task begins. Because once we have engineered the service, what we have to deliver in terms of change management is just beginning. I'm telling you, it's just beginning, because we have to meet at all levels and strive on this change management, and the time we spend on this is humongous, but this is necessary in order to deliver a successful e-service which the citizen wants. Otherwise, we just automate and the citizen just comes 5 times online, and the person is just as frustrated as before. Just as frustrated. It's just that the person gets frustrated quicker now than before. Just that. When we want to go and ask them to say, okay, we want to now put all the procedures online, all the information should be put online, but in simple terms. They tell us, all these things are already there. Regulations, laws, and all these are there. Why are you bothering with all these things? And when we talk to them, we have to explain to them, and again, it's change management process. It's a mindset change. It's not about technology is there. The making a portal is so easy. The amount of time that you spend to make sure the procedures are there, make sure the procedures are simple enough for the citizens to understand, and making sure that there is a citizen charter where there was none before. It's a big challenge. And that's what we have to do in terms of when we have. So the biggest thing that we have to do as drivers of this is to make this drive happen. It's change happen, and change is very hard when you try to make this simple. If you automate it, no problem. But we are trying to make this change in terms of e-governance, and that is a very hard thing to do in this perspective. That's the perspective. Another perspective is that in a small country, there are not many people who can do and develop things for you. And when you don't have many companies that can do these things for you, and you go out and you will hire multinational companies. Multinational companies are not there in your country, and they come in and want to do things, but they don't have the agenda in which there is quick changing environment, in which the reform is happening, like the Malaysians, on a very quicker scale. So now we have to be in an environment in which we want to make things happen in a much faster way, but must have our own capability. We cannot rely on other people trying to deliver things in which they do not understand our country's perspective, our country's development needs. So we have to have the capability in-house in the country in order to drive this, in order to deliver this, in order to make this happen. This is what is fundamentally necessary. But with all the challenges of having very minimal or trying to develop the human resource that is necessary, trying to do the skills that is necessary in order to make this a very successful one. So this is a very difficult scenario in which we have to make all this happen again, making sure you deliver for the government objectives that is quickly changing this environment. That's a big challenge, and that's what we have to do. And that's what we have to do on a daily basis so that we align the citizens and align to the government strategies, and we align to deliver it in a cohesive manner, we deliver it in a way that the people realize it, and the agencies have the capability to sustain it. One of the most wonderful things we have is the ability to sustain it when the cost of it is try to make sure they understand the cost of it. So that's it. Thank you.